England vs India T20I Series 2026 second T20I match. Both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 4 July 2026. Time 7 p.m. Venue United Kingdom. England team best playing 11. Number 1 Philip Salt. Number 2 Tom Benton. Number 3 Josh Butler. Number 4 Harry Brook. Number 5 Will Jacks. Number 6 Sam Curran. Number 7 Rehan Ahmed. Number 8 Liam Dawson. Number 9 Jofra Archer. Number 10 Adil Rashid. Number 11 Loki Wood. Indian team best playing 11. Number 1 Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma. Number 3 Ishan Kishan. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 Tilak Verma. Number 6 Swan Sheikh. Number 7 Akshar Patel. Number 8 Shivam Dube. Number 9 Prince Yadav. Number 10 Harshit Rana. Number 11 Ashdeep Singh.